Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to explaining about line graph data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully and then we need to solve the questions according to the given information. Look at the first information provided in this line graph. Here the information is about amounts invested by three people in schemes over the years. Here three people are there and those three people are A, B, C. These are the three members who are investing the amounts in different schemes. Here the values which are provided in the line graph, all the values are in terms of thousands, all the values are given in terms of thousands, and here and the time period which is given as from 2005 to 2010, that is 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. These are the total 6 years. In these 6 years the total amount invested by three people in different schemes, that is the given information, right? Now look at the first question. Here the first question is, what was the total amount invested by all three people together in the year 2005? Here we need to calculate what is the total amount invested by all three members A, B, C together in the year 2005. First of all, 2005 is the starting year. In starting year, the value of A is blue color, red color is B and green color is C. First of all, A is equal to 30, which is nothing but 30,000. All the values are given in terms of thousands, therefore you need to keep three zeros at the end of that particular number. And next B, which is red color, that is 25. 25,000. 25,000. And then C is equal to 45. C is equal to 45,000. Now you can add all these three values. Here three zeros are common, and next 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carry forward, and next 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of these four values, which is nothing but 10, which is nothing but 1 lakh rupees. The summation of all these three values, all three members together in the year 2005 invested 1 lakh rupees. Once look at the options, you need to be very much cautious about the number of zeros. Here 1 followed by 4 zeros, that is 10,000. This is not your answer. 100, this is not your answer. And next here if you observe carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros in the sense that belong to lakhs. That is your answer. And you can cancel option C as well. And here if you observe carefully for option C, how many zeros are there? 3 plus 4, 7. Total 7 zeros. 7 zeros in the sense that is 1 crore. 1 crore. Here option B is indicating 1 lakh, whereas option C is indicating 1 crore. Whereas suppose for example if there are 6 zeros, that indicates 10 lakhs. 1 lakh, 10 lakhs and then 1 crore. Here the answer is 1 lakh. Therefore our required answer is option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Look at the second question. Here the second question is, what is the average amount invested? Here we need to calculate the average amount. Average amount invested in the year 2009 by all three people together. Here as we all know that average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here sum of observations is nothing but total sum. In which year we are talking about? Here we are talking about 2009. Total sum in 2009 divided by number of observations is nothing but number of persons that we are talking about. Number of persons we are talking about is 3. A, B, C, all three members, right? So the denominator value is 3. Now you just calculate a 2009 total value. 2009 total, all these three are belonging to 2009. In 2009, total sum is equal to, first A, the value of A is 40,000. Value of A is 40,000 plus value of B. B is red color, which is 50,000. 50,000. And then C is 55,000, green color, 55,000, divided by number of persons, which is equal to 3. Number of persons 3. Now you can calculate the required average value. Average of all three members together. See, 40 plus 50, 90,000. 90,000 plus 55,000, which is equal to 1,45,000. 1,45,000 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 fours are 12. 2 is left over, 25. 25 means 3 8 times. 3 8 times 24, 1 is left over, 10. 10 means 3 times. Again 1 is left over. Again 3 times. Again 3 times. Still 1 is the remainder. Divided by 3. 48,333 divided by 48,333 1 by 3. That is our required average. Here options are given in terms of mixed fraction only, so you just keep the answer in terms of mixed fraction. Suppose for example, sometimes there is a chance of giving in terms of approximations. In that case, you can go with the options. See which option is close to this particular answer. Exact answer is 48,333 1 by 3. That is the exact average of all three members together in the year 2009. That is the exact average, which is option B. Option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Let us look at the third question. Here the third question is, what is the percentage decrease in the amount invested by C in the year 2007 from the previous year? Here we need to calculate percentage decrease. Basically percentage decrement is nothing but difference between those 2 years divided by high value. Percentage decrease is nothing but difference between those values divided by high value into 100 percentage. This is a way of calculating percentage decrement. And next, here you are calculating percentage decrement of C in the year 2007. C 2007 when comparing with C 2006, right? So first 2006 and 2007 values. Note down the values of C in 2006 and 2007. No need of writing in terms of thousands. Why? Because both the values are given in terms of thousands, so no, not required. Here in 2006, C is nothing but that is green color. In 2006, the value of green color is 40 in 2006. Whereas in 2007, the value of C, which is 35, 2007. Now you need to calculate percentage decrement. Percentage decrement is nothing but, just now I said that, difference between those two values. 40 minus 35 divided by highest value, that is 40, into 100 percentage. Now you just calculate the answer. Percentage decrement is equal to 5 by 40 into 100. 5 by 40 into 100, which is 5 ones are 5 8 times. 1 by 8 into 100, which is equal to 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage. That is the required percentage decrement of person C. Percentage decrement of amount invested by person C in the year 2007 as comparing with previous year, which is 2006. Therefore, our required answer is 12.5 percentage. Among the options, option B is the Right answer for this question, option B. Let us look at the fourth question. What is the fourth question which is provided in this line graph? What is the respective ratio? Here you need to calculate the ratio. Ratio between which values? Total amount invested by B in the years 2008 and 2010 together. Total amount invested by B. B in the year 2008 and 2010. B in the year 2008 and 2010 together to the total amount invested by C in those 2 years. That means same years. B total in the year 2008 and 2010 together, C total in the same years, that is 2008 and 2010 together. So first write down the values of B in 2008 and 2010. Here we are talking about 2 years 2008 and 2010. First of all, B. B is nothing but red color. In 2008, the value of red color is 25. 25. Whereas in 2010, the value of red color is 45. Sum of these two. 25 plus 45. 70. Next, C. C is nothing but green color. In 2008, green color value 40. Green color value 40. And in 2010, green color value same. That is also 40. Now, sum of these two. Together in the sense you need to add both the values. Now, according to the question, you need to take the ratio of these two. Ratio of these two. That is 70 is to 80, which is nothing but 7 is to 8. 7 is to 8 is the required answer for this question. 7 is to 8. So among the options, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Last question in this session. See here, fifth one. The amount invested by A in the year 2006 is approximately what percent of total amount invested by him over all the years together. Here what he is asking is he needs us to calculate the approximate percentage of A. That is A in the year 2006. The amount invested by A in the year 2006, that particular value, what percent of total amount of A. Total amount invested by him over all the years together. Total amount of A in all the years together. And whenever you are calculating percentage, into 100 percentage symbol common. So first of all, the required approximate percentage is equal to A in the year 2006. Here we are calculating the value of A. Value of A is nothing but all the values are blue colors. So A in 2006, which is 35. No need of writing in terms of thousands. Why? Because in the denominator also you will be having thousands. Now write down all the values of A. See, 30, 35, 45, next again 35, next 40, and next 50. Add all these values. 30 plus 35 plus 45 plus 35 plus 40 plus 50. That is the denominator value into 100 percentage symbol, that is common thing. Therefore our required percentage, approximate percentage, which is equal to 35 into 100 divided by, what is the denominator value? Once add all these values, 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 70, 35, 35, 70. 120 plus 70, 190. 190 plus 40, 230, 235. 235. That is the denominator value. Now you can cancel with 5 table. 5 sevens are. And next 5 fours are 20. Next 35. 35 means 7 times. So the required value is 7 into 100, 700 divided by 47. 700 divided by 47. Now you can cancel with 47 table directly. That is equal to 47 ones are 47. Still 23 is left over. 230. 230 means how many times? Here it is, if you take it as 47 fives. 47 fives are how much? Here it is 5 times, and it is, sorry, 7 fives are 35, and next 20, 235. 235, but here the value is 230. Therefore our required answer is very close to 15, 14 point something around 9. So the nearest answer, we don't want the exact value, we want the approximate value. We want the approximate value. Therefore the required approximate percentage, which is equal to, that is 15 percentage. According to the options, approximate value you need to take into consider. Here the value is 14 point something around 9. So the value is approximately 15 percentage. Option A is the right answer for this question. In this way you can solve the problems related to this particular line graph data interpretation. Guys, I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.